Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the intriguing world of relationships, dating, and everything in between. In today's video, we will be discussing a topic that many of you have requested: 5 things a man does if he really respects you. So, if you have ever wondered how to know if a man truly respects you, stick around, because we have got you covered. Let's jump right into it. Number 1. Active and respectful listening. One of the most important signs of respect in any relationship is active listening. If a man truly respects you, he will give you his undivided attention when you speak. He won't interrupt or dismiss your thoughts or feelings. Instead, he will listen attentively, engage in the conversation, and show genuine interest in what you have to say. Remember, respect starts with good communication. Number 2. Valuing your opinions and decisions. Respecting your thoughts, opinions, and decisions is a clear indication that a man holds you in high regard. He will seek your input when making important choices and respect your right to have a different viewpoints. He won't belittle or undermine your ideas, but rather encourage you to express yourself freely. This mutual respect strengthens the foundation of a healthy and balanced relationship. Number 3. Honoring boundaries. Respecting each other's boundaries is crucial for any relationship to thrive. A man who truly respects you will acknowledge and honor your personal boundaries without pushing or crossing them. He understands that consent is vital and respects your autonomy. Whether it is physical, emotional, or personal space, he will always prioritize your comfort and well-being. Number 4. Support and encouragement. When a man respects you, he becomes your biggest cheerleader. He genuinely supports your goals, dreams, and ambitions. He will celebrate your achievements, encourage you during challenging times, and be there to lend a helping hand wherever needed. A respectful partner wants to see you grow and flourish, both personally and professionally. Number 5. Equality and shared responsibilities. True respect means treating each other as equals. A man who respects you will believe in gender equality and advocate for it in your relationship. He will share responsibilities, both big and small, without expecting you to shoulder the burden alone. Whether it is household chores, financial decisions, or career choices, he values your opinions and ensures a fair distribution of tasks and responsibilities. And there you have it, are 5 signs that indicate a man truly respects you. Remember, respect is the foundation of healthy and fulfilling relationship. If you recognize these signs in your partner, consider yourself lucky. Thank you for watching. If you have something to add, please leave a comment. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.